Okay, for this step, for phase two, what you need to do is, uh, so you have this file called cookie.txt. So open that up. You have this address, so just copy it. Okay, copy it. And it'll be probably different for some other people. So just copy that. And now you have to create a .s file. So uh, just create a .s file, and my .s file looks like this. And it has instructions. Uh, all it has is move with the what you had, what you the address that you had from cookie.txt, uh, RDI, and then return. Okay, then you just once you've created that .s file, just what you call it, quit it, and now you have to what you call it, get the .o file. So compile it, gcc minus c, uh, your .s file, uh, .s, and this. Once you do that, it will give you a .o file, which is right here. Uh, Once you have your .o file, you need to get the disassembly code, which is obj minus d and that. Oh. Once you have the disassembly, it will look something like this. Once you have the disassembly, you could just store that into a .asm file, which I have stored in here. So that is this is my disassembly code. So from here, this part is important. This is your first answer. Uh, so what you do is just create a text file, answers.txt. For me, my answers.txt is this file, and you just copy that the disassembly code. So you have 48 C7 this line and C3. So that's all the way up there, and then C3. And then from phase one, uh, you remember what you had, the buffer was 24, right? That was the size of the buffer. So you need what's called padded. Padding needs to be 24. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's done. Now this line and this line, I'll show you how to get. So what you need to do next is GDB ctarget. Once you do that, set a breakpoint at get buff. Have a breakpoint at get buff. Okay, then run it. Now info r info r. And now you have to look at what is uh, RSP. RSP. RSP is this. Okay. Now you have to take this number and subtract it from let's call the hex 18, which was the buffer size. So what you do is So what you do, okay, so whenever you have RSP, which is this, so you can, uh, so it'll be 5, 5, for me, it's 6, 3, D, C, 8. Okay, that's what RSP is. Now you subtract that from the the buffer, which is 24, which is also in hex 18, 18, uh, and you get this number. And that, remember that number, remember this hex, and then this is your other answer. So what you do with this is then just quit GDB, uh, go back to your answers.text, and then if you see here, I have 5563 B8. So D8. Uh, I messed up. Hold on. My RSP was 5563 DCF0. Subtract that. Subtract RSP from the 18, and I get that. This is the correct one. So I have this, right? So over here, D8, D8, DC, DC, 63, 63, 55, 55. And remember the address is 8 bytes, so you need 4 more bytes because this is 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte. Okay? And then your last answer is you have to look in your, uh, you have to look at touch 2, and touch 2, the address is right here. For touch 2, it's EC 19, 19, 40, 40, okay? And then that's only 3 bytes, so you need 8 bytes, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, so that's 8 bytes. And then you could just exit out your answers file and then type in cat your answers file, uh, then dot hex to raw, and then dot c target, and you should see you passed phase 2.